BrainJuice Media. Fuel your mind.
Have you ever found yourself neglecting basic self-care like brushing your teeth or showering and wondered, what is wrong with me? You're not lazy, you're not broken. What if I told you this might be a hidden symptom of narcissistic abuse? Weird ways narcissistic abuse affects personal hygiene. In today's video, we're diving deep into the unexpected ways narcissistic abuse can sabotage something as fundamental as personal hygiene. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand why it happens, but also how to reclaim your self-care routines and your sense of self. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you're ready to take back your power. First, let's break down what narcissistic abuse does to your mental state. Narcissists erode your sense of self-worth through manipulation, gaslighting, and constant criticism. Over time, this relentless attack on your psyche can lead to depression, anxiety, and even dissociation. When your mental health takes a hit, your motivation to take care of yourself can plummet. You start questioning your worth, wondering if you even deserve the basic dignity of hygiene, and trust me, you're not alone in this. Think about it. When you're constantly being told you're not good enough, it's easy to internalize those messages. You might start seeing yourself through the narcissist's eyes, believing their lies about your inadequacy. This mental weight can leave you drained and unable to focus on even the simplest tasks. Narcissists often use your hygiene as a weapon of control. They might mock you for your appearance, making you feel ashamed for even trying to look or feel good. Or they might demand perfection, criticizing every detail to keep you walking on eggshells. This creates a toxic cycle. You stop taking care of yourself to avoid their scrutiny or because their words make you feel like it's pointless. Either way, it's all about them keeping you under their thumb. And let's not forget, this isn't just limited to romantic relationships. Narcissistic parents can instill these same patterns in their children, making them overly self-conscious about their bodies and appearance from a young age. Over time, this control can manifest as chronic insecurity and neglect. Another weird but common effect? Neglecting hygiene can actually be a trauma response. When you're in survival mode, your brain prioritizes safety over everything else. Showering or brushing your teeth feels insignificant compared to just making it through the day. And let's not forget the physical exhaustion that often comes with trauma. You're not lazy, you're burned out. Your mind and body are doing the best they can to cope. There's also the issue of disconnection. Many survivors of narcissistic abuse experience dissociation, where they feel detached from their own bodies. When you're disconnected like this, self-care can feel foreign, almost like taking care of a stranger. So, how do you break free? Start small. Reclaiming your hygiene is about more than just looking good. It's about rediscovering your sense of self-worth. Try setting tiny, achievable goals. Maybe today it's just brushing your teeth. Tomorrow it's taking a quick shower. Celebrate those small wins because they're huge steps toward healing. And don't be afraid to seek professional help. Therapists can guide you through unpacking the trauma and rebuilding your self-esteem. Another tip? Surround yourself with positive affirmations and reminders of your worth. Whether it's sticky notes on your mirror or a daily journal practice, these small reinforcements can help rewire your thinking over time. Also, remember that consistency matters more than perfection. It's okay if you miss a day. The key is to keep showing up for yourself, one step at a time. Healing from narcissistic abuse isn't something you have to do alone. Finding a support system can make a world of difference. Whether it's friends, family, or support groups, having people who understand and validate your experiences can be incredibly empowering. If you don't feel ready to open up to someone in your life, online communities can also be a great resource. Hearing others' stories can remind you that you're not alone and that recovery is possible. Breaking free from the effects of narcissistic abuse takes time and patience, but you are worth every effort. Remember, self-care isn't selfish, it's a declaration of your value. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might need to hear this. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. What's one small self-care habit you're reclaiming today? Healing starts with the smallest steps.